Hi, I'm John Benson. Today I'd like to talk to you about the benefits of our Hook-tine on our TE 10 series tedder. Why use Hook-tine tedders? TE series tedders offer three important benefits: high performance tedding action, high volume output, and optimized durability. Because of the unique configuration and special angle of the Hook-tine, Vermeer TE series tedders can pick up and spread large amounts of crop than conventional tedders with straight tines. The hook gives you a good grip on the crop. It allows you to decrease rotations per minute and helps minimize leaf loss while still dispersing the crop evenly for consistent dry down. The specially coiled Hook-tine design is flexible, and because it rotates at a trailed angle, tine breakage is minimized. This means Hook-tines are built to last and are the only ones in the field today with a 3-year limited warranty. Want to learn more about the Hook-tine design? Go on over and visit your local dealer, Vermeer.com, or visit us on YouTube.